Hi, you can use apps to connect services like Shopify and PandaDoc to QuickBooks Online. The Apps Overview section helps you find support, launch, and reconnect apps if they ever disconnect. Let's learn how to look up an app, find it in your QuickBooks after you add it, and what to do if it ever disconnects. First, select Apps. Note that your navigation may look like this. From the Apps tab, you can search for and browse available apps to connect to QuickBooks. After you've connected an app, you'll find it in the Apps Overview tab. This is where QuickBooks lists all of the apps you've connected. You can also use this button to keep an eye on your apps and their statuses while in other areas of QuickBooks. Select the drop-down next to an app to leave feedback, find support, or launch the app inside QuickBooks. Launching the app either takes you to the place in QuickBooks that collects information from the app or opens a new tab with the app website. From here, you can review transactions received from the app and perform other related tasks. Back on the Apps Overview tab, if QuickBooks ever encounters a problem communicating with the app, you'll see it listed here, along with the issue it has with the app. You'll also see notifications that something is wrong on the Business Overview tab. Select View Issues to go back to the Apps Overview tab. To resolve the issue, select Reconnect. Some apps may also ask you to choose a date before it resumes the connection. The app will send information related to anything that happened on this day to the present day when it reconnects to QuickBooks. This helps to ensure you don't record the same information more than once. You may need to log into your account with the app and reauthorize the connection. Go back to the Apps Overview tab to check out the renewed connection. Now you're ready to add, launch, and resolve any issues related to apps in QuickBooks Online.